What noise does a lion make? That's a hippo. Ooh. It's an alligator. Oh, big yawn. It's an alligator. Rhinoceros. That's right. Elephant. Woo! That's right, elephant. That's ostrich. Ooh. It's a giraffe and a zebra. You're gonna put them back together now? Good girl. There's giraffe. Ostrich. Good girl. Elephant. Lion. Just gotta rotate him a little bit. Here, let's look at the piece. Where does it go? There. Alligator. Hippo. Where does it go? Rhinoceros. You got it. And a zebra. Where does the zebra go? Good girl, Mira. Put him back in. Finish the puzzle. No. Okay, give Mama the zebra. Good job. Are you going to take the puzzle pieces out again? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. What noise does an elephant make? That